Welcome, Powdersville, Travelers Rest, Liberty, Slater, Marietta, and Norris. In outdoor... Thunderstorm warning for central Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pickens, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenville downtown, Easley, Pickens, Greenville East Side, West Greenville, Malden, Berea, Welcome, Powdersville, and Piedmont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Anderson, Greenville, and Pickens. Here is a special weather statement. A strong...
Alright. By the beginning of this SVR being toned through WXJ21, the station, I actually didn't know that I had my 254 on tone mode. It was supposed to be on voice. Wait, oh. It was supposed to be on voice. I suppose it was maybe mysteriously put on tone for some reason. But other than that, that's this SVR from WXJ21.